In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master sub-items in Monday.com. We'll walk through this process together, and by the end, you'll be equipped to better manage tasks with Subitems on your Monday.com boards. Let's start with logging into your Monday.com account. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once there, glance towards the upper right corner of the page and you'll see the login button. Give that a click. Now you have two main options here. You can either sign in with your Google account, which is notably convenient if you're already working within the Google ecosystem, or you can manually type in the email address associated with your Monday.com account. If you choose the Google sign-in option, you'll need to select the specific email address you plan to use from the options presented. This is particularly useful if you handle multiple accounts. With that sorted out, you're now in Monday.com and ready to dive into managing your boards. Direct yourself to workspaces. Within the workspaces, identify and select your desired board. You'll be presented with a detailed view of your board's content. Here you can see the structure and items you've set up. What we want to focus on next is adding sub-items to your content. Look carefully at the item you want to modify. Next to its name, you'll see a small arrow-like icon. Click on this icon to expand your options. As it unfolds, locate the label that says sub-item below your main item. Clicking on this will open up a field where you can start typing. This is your sub-item field where you can add detailed tasks or notes that pertain specifically to the item above. Simply type in the information you need, think steps within a project, extra details or checklists. Don't worry if your sub-item list grows. You can continue adding more sub-items as necessary, creating a neatly organized hierarchy within your project tasks. This feature is excellent for breaking down complex tasks into manageable parts, ensuring nothing gets overlooked. It's that simple. Mastering sub-items in Monday.com is all about leveraging this flexible structural element to keep your projects organized and transparent. Remember, these sub-items are not just for your benefit, but also make it easier for team collaboration by keeping everyone informed and aligned. And there you have it, you've just learned how to enhance your productivity with sub-items in Monday.com. With practice, this will become second nature, improving both individual task management and team project flow. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this approach as beneficial as I do. Be sure to explore and experiment with different ways to use Subitems to suit your specific workflow needs. Happy organizing!